Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday said that cases of swine flu have been reported from some parts of the state. Responding to queries from media persons, the Chief Minister acknowledged receiving reports of swine flu from certain areas and stated that the state government is closely monitoring the situation. He said the government machinery has been put on alert and health authorities have been directed to take proactive steps to contain the disease and prevent it from spreading to other parts of Meghalaya.
It's fever, swine fever. Yeah, so basically this has been a problem in the past also, and we are monitoring the situation and we're taking immediate action on it. There are concerns, of course, and these concerns keep happening from time to time. But the department is taking all possible steps and measures to ensure that this does not spread in any large scale. And there are a few cases, but we'll do our best to ensure that this does not spread throughout the state.